I'm recording it. So we're just going to run through an end-to-end scenario. We're going to go all the way from MRP to the invoice process. And there are three prerequisites. You have to create a vendor. Obviously, you know this, XK01. And you have to create a material, MMO1. And here you have to create a purchasing info record or a contract. And then I've done these three steps before, but I can also revisit after I walk you through all these steps. Okay, the very first step is MDO1 or MDO3. MDO1 is for all the materials full run. Right now I'm just going to use the MDO3, which is going to be single run. My material is going to be AM2401. My plant is going to be 1000, and I'm just going to go ahead and create the purchase requisitions directly, and I'm just going to display the results, and I'm going to show you AM02401. A couple of things. I have my MRP tab set, right? Okay, there are a couple of things. One is I have the automatic PO. There is a flag here called auto PO that has to be set, and two, my MRP tab has to be filled in. Means I need to have the MRP type, reorder point, my lot size, minimum order quantity, and maximum order quantity have to be set at the minimum. And also I have to set my material controller, and in the MRP2 tab I can put in my at least this is pretty important. You have to put an F here. That means I'm procuring this thing externally. I need to put in my planned delivery times, in-house, or goods receipt times. At least these two are very important. Okay, MRP1 tab has to be filled in. MRP2 tabs, at least this piece has to be filled in. And in the procurement tab, you have to fill in this field called auto PO. That's for the material. Okay, for the vendor, I'm using vendor 1000, company code 1000, and purchasing organization 1000. Okay. And here you have to click in the automatic PO flag here. Okay, you have to check in the automatic PO flag, and that's a prerequisite for the vendors. And we also shown the prerequisite for the materials. So now I'm just going to go into MDO3. Actually, I'm already on the screen. Sorry. Okay, I'm already on the screen. I'm going to get out here. Okay, and I'm asking them to display the results, and I'm creating the purchase requisitions directly. I'm going to hit enter, and now I have the purchase requisitions created: 200, 200, 200, 200, and 105. These are all the requisitions that got created just now, as you can see here, the dates. Okay, and these are the brand new purchase requisitions that are created. I can go ahead and save it, and I can go back, and I can, if I pull out the purchase requisitions, I'll see that these 5 new purchase requisitions are created. I'm just going to go and save it. I'm going to go out, go back to ME51N. Okay, I'm going to go back and say purchase requisitions. I'm going to only pull purchase requisitions for the material that I'm interested in. You can see at the very top, these are the purchase requisitions that got created today. Okay. Nope. It's got to be. These are not the ones. Okay. I'm going to go to my, I'm going to go to purchase requisitions, AMT. Okay, I'm going to take those things out. Where are my purchase requisitions? I don't see them. It's not my purchase requisition. Today's date is 14th. Yeah, these are not my requisitions. Where are my requisitions? Not really sure where happened to my purchase requisitions that I just created. Let me run my MDO3 once more. Okay, I'm just going to display the results, and these are my purchase requisitions. My purchase requisition. And why is it not showing the okay? And it got created today. All these requisitions got created today. I'm going to open up another screen. Okay, as you can see, this was created. I don't know why is it saying 15. It's saying it should have been 14, and it created from the MRP run. As you can see, those two things, and it created my. This is my Material AM2401, and it created 200 pieces with a delivery date of 20/01/2014. Okay, so I've created my purchase requisitions, and I have everything set in automatic PO mode. I'm just going to go into logistics, materials management, purchasing. Now I'm just going to assign source. I know that I've already created both a contract as well as a purchasing info record for my that particular material and the vendor. Go into purchase requisitions, follow on function. I'm going to say assign and process. Okay, I'm just gonna put in the particular material, or I can just do my plant 1000. I can also do the same material actually. Okay, for that material I'm going to assign and process, and these are all the purchase requisitions that are open. See, there are 200 pieces that we created today. I'm going to select all. I'm just going to select, actually I'm just going to leave them there. I'm just going to select the ones that I've created. I'm going to say assign automatically. It says there is a agreement as well as there is a contract. So I can select either or, doesn't matter. So I'm going to select the very first one. Green means it has assigned the source for these things. This is the requisition. Now I have a source assigned to this particular requisition. Okay, I'm going to save it. So now I have 5 requisitions that have been assigned POs, and I'm going to go into ME59, and I'm going to go into fix vendor, and I'm going to do a test run. I'm going to execute it. So now it's taking all of the requisitions that are created and converting them over to the POs. You can see all the ones 169, 29, 30, 31, 32, all of them are getting converted into my purchase requisitions for POs. Now I'm going to take out the test run. I'm going to run it. Now I should have automatic creation of purchase orders from the requisition should have been completed. I have 6 POs successfully created. Total number of POs to 6 created. In reality, the MDO1, all the transactions that we have seen, ME57 as well as ME59, they all get created automatically. Okay, they all get created automatically. Because we were just running the jobs behind the scenes. Okay, now I can go back and look at some reports to see I did create some of these POs. I can go into purchase order. I can go into list displays, by vendor 1000, client 1000. I can even do, if possible, the material, and I'm just going to displace. And these are all the POs that were created, you know, with the date today, or we can even put in a date. Actually, we have the date. So let me put the date. 1000 with the delivery date, valid keyword, document date, material, document date. I'm just gonna put from something like that. Okay. And these are all the POs that got created. You can see 200, 200, 200, 105. You can remember those numbers. These all got created, today with the date of maybe 01/15, 2014. Okay, I can actually double click on these things, and you can see we can see the purchase requisitions that got used to create a PO. This is the one PO that got created with all these purchase requisitions. You can either look at the same, you can see that info record and then the PO that we created. You can see that these got created from through the online batch program and through MRP run. So now I'm going to double click on this thing one more time, get my PO number, and I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to do MIGO. I'm putting my PO, and before I do that, I think I should just do I should just check my counts. Okay, I'm going to go out here. No, I'm going to do MMBE. My count right now is 27, right? 19 is in consignment and 27 is my count. That's before I do the goods receipt. Now I'm going to do the goods receipt for all of these things. Okay, okay. Okay. and okay, and I save it. It's probably going to ask me for storage location. I'm not sure. Yep. I'm saving my goods receipt. I should at least see 905 pieces total. Okay, my material document got posted. We'll look at the material documents in a second. I'm going to go back, refresh. You can see my well, we must have missed one 200 there. So I see my inventory got updated from 27 pieces to 732 pieces. Okay, and I can go back, look at my PO again. I can go back, look at my purchasing. I'm going to go back and look at my ME21N. Yep. This is my PO. I'm going to go back to my purchase order history. I can see that my material document got posted. I can double click on the material document. Click on my document info. I can go into the financial documents. I can see that the accounting document got posted. I can both the material document got created as well as my accounting document got created. If I click on the accounting document, you'll see that it debited my unfinished goods account here, and it credited the GRAR account and also the price difference account. The accounts got hit. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the very last step. I'm going to take the PO. I'm going to go back and do the MIRO. Okay, and I'm going to do doesn't matter what date. I'm posting an invoice at this point. $13395. Now I'm balanced. I can post. Okay, I have now created an invoice document. Okay, now I can go back and look at my PO. Sorry, I don't. I can probably do that. It's my PO number. Display. And if I go back to purchase order history, I see my material document. I also see my invoice document. Okay, you can click on my invoice document, and I can see that invoice got posted. I can click on follow on documents, click on the accounting documents, and now I see that it reversed all of the goods receipt documents and credited the vendor for 13,395. Okay, the next step, which I'm not going to run, is really it's called the payment run, which is the F1110 run. F110. And when you run this particular document or this particular program, the vendor should get paid. You can even actually give it a try today. Okay, I'm going to do that. I'm going to go into parameters. I know it's going to be company code 1000. I'm not sure of the payment method. Let me go back to my I'm going to go back to my payment. The payment method is blank, so there's no payment method selected. So what I can do probably is invoice. I can't change it now. Let me try it. Let me try to see if I'll just put the payment method blank. Okay, I'm going to put vendor 1000. I'm going to do the posting date as something next, 12.04.13, something like that. Actually, for the C. Okay. Now I'm going to save it, come out, and there are two steps. One, I have to run the proposal. Okay, that's fine. Start immediately. And it's running the payment proposal. I can look at the proposal, and there is some problem. So this vendor 1000, there are some items, but there are some errors in that item. So everything has been thrown into exception. But if this were successful, the vendor will get paid. Okay. So now I'm just going to end the recording so you can have it.